Da 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 da. What? Today we're going to mines and we're going to sport so he can't talk because his mic doesn't work with his headset and when he records it's weird. I'm gonna just go and be talking for him, okay? And whoa! Yeah, Micah VR. No, I'm scary VR. Scary VR, I'm gonna say. Scary VR. I'm scary VR, not Micah VR. I'm scary VR. Okay, let's get right into it, guys. I don't have a grappling hook because this dumbass stole my grappling hook. Okay, thank you for that. Put your dirty ass on me. Put your dirty ass on me. No. Yeah, it's April Fool's. That's why everything's popping up on the screen. Your brain damage, like him, kinda. Okay, I'm keeping this with me because I like the fan. You have to be mining. Do you have a pickaxe? Do you have a pickaxe? I'll give you one. Yeah. Okay, I got a pickaxe for you. Put your dirty ass on me. Put your dirty ass on me. Put a bit on my dick, bit. I don't give a shit, bit. Put your dick on me. I'm gay, yeah, right. What the fuck is right? Yeah. Is it family friendly on your channel? Do you have a family friendly channel? Do you have a family friendly? Is your channel family friendly? Oh, sorry. I didn't know that. You should have said yes to my question for you guys to know. You did it? No, you have to have a flashlight. I don't need. I can't wear one. Wait, look what happened to mine. Look what happened to my grappling hook. Do you see what's wrong with it? No, I don't. Those are OG backpacks. No, you can't. They're OG backpacks. They're from the start of the game. Only OG people have them. You can't buy them. You can't buy them. They were from when the game first came out. Only OG people have them. Okay, we're hitting mines, guys. Well, that's the best. Look how OP my strat is. I might not have a weapon on it. It's so good. Did you get a backpack? No! He said about down there. Because he didn't get a backpack. What happens if I do this? Wait. Oh god! Please check out my channel, guys. It's called Micah VR. No, it's Scary VR, man. No, it's called Scary. I'm gonna call you by your real name. You keep calling me by that. His name is Jaden. You said my real name like 10 times. Jaden is his real name. And don't ask why I know that. Oh yeah. Turn the light on, dumbass. I'm not right here, but no, you don't. I'm sorry. I didn't see anything. Ball's the worst weapon because I can't control where I go. Oh, spider! I'm gonna be the best. Put your bet on me. Put your bet on me. Okay. I'm sorry, my channel's not family friendly. Sorry. What do I? Okay, where are you? This is dumbass. I know where you're supposed to go. You know, just follow me. Oh, become a spider. Oh my God! Are you there? Jaden. Jaden. Stop playing this on my roommate! I think they can now. I think they just fixed it. Put that bit on me. A bit on me. Put your bitch on me. You mean down? Should we go in here? Should we go in here? In here. Yeah. Oh, be careful. You need help. I need help. I need help. Cause I don't have a weapon. I don't have a weapon on me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate these. I hate these. Should we go in here? Yeah. It's hard for me to go. Where can you go? I'm sorry, it's hard with an umbrella on my back. I don't really think where I want to go. No, fuck, I'm not that way, not that way. Ah! Hurry a bit. I'm begging you! Put this in your bag! Put this in your bag! It's cold! Put that in your bag! It's cold! Put this in your bag! It's cold! Where are we supposed to go? Down here? Down here? Follow me! I found it! I found it! This is how you finish the game. Don't get him! You get teleported back! Don't get him! You get teleported back! You get that, you're gonna get teleported back. Follow me. Over here. I hear. fine. I'm not going down there. You're going down there first. You're going down there first. I have to get off. I have to get off. I have to get back off. Babe, I have to get off. Bye.